What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Jose once again from petrockmedia.com. I am back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new bag that I have that I'm going to be utilizing in conjunction with my everyday camera bag, courtesy from Peak Design, and that is their tech pouch. This amazing pouch allows you to, store it to the gills. Right now I don't have nearly as much stuff as this thing can hold. Usually I'll have this packed up with different type of step-up rings, filters. This is my little filter pouch right here, but I also have this in here. White balance cards, my expo discs, my color checker passport, batteries, chargers, things like that. I try to pack this as much as I can to make sure everything is nice and compact and with me each and every time I pack up my bag to go on a trip. Today we're going to take a little bit closer look at the Peak Design Tech Pouch, what I have in it, what it can hold, and if it's something that I recommend for you to pick up, to keep, and have in your everyday carry. Let's talk about it. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Once again, my name is Jose from petrockmedia.com. If you are new here and this type of content excites you and interests you, then you definitely want to hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon so that way you'll be notified each and every time we post videos on this channel or go live. So once again, today we're taking a close look at the Peak Design Tech Pouch that I recently purchased, and it comes in a couple of colors. I have the all black version, there's also a gray version, but I feel like with my everyday bag being the blue version of it, the black and blue to me complement each other pretty well. So recently my wife and I took a trip throughout the Texas Hill Country, specifically to Bastrop. I had a photo idea that I wanted to capture. I was able to capture that photo, and I still have the bag packed up from that trip. So we're going to go ahead and go through it, kind of see what all fits in this bag and kind of the spacing that you have with this bag, and you can see how compact and tight this bag is. So it has a front pouch. We're going to just dive right into the bag right here. It's got these loops right here that you can technically attach Peak Design's anchor points and then put a strap on it and kind of carry it as almost like a fanny pack or a side pouch. I don't utilize it that way. I pack it as much as I can with all the necessities that I feel I'm going to need on my trips, and then use this bag to put inside the everyday carry so I can just easily access it in and out of the bag as I see fit. Then you'll see in the middle there's the main pouch and the main compartment, and it's origami style of opening, which again, if you're a fan of Peak Design, you know that their inserts in their camera bags utilize that same concept, and here is no different. So right now I have a set of step-up rings that I utilize on my filters with my ultra wide angle lenses on the Fujifilm system. The filters I have in here is an Earth, formerly known as Gobi or Gobe, but now they're called Earth. This is their variable ND filter. I really am a big fan of their ND filters. And then this is the Moment Cine Bloom 82mm lens filter that I utilize with my ultra wide lenses, and I've got it in a pouch, but then I use this and keep it in here along with some of the step-up rings. You'll see some here, you'll see some step-up rings here, you'll see a GoPro mount, specifically with a cold shoe mount on the top, so that way I can put that on the top of my camera and have vlog style videos for you guys. And then I've got a few Fujifilm batteries. This one is for my X100V. When I do carry it with me, I have that, or my X Pro 3 utilizes the same battery, so I've got that there. I've got my expo disc for white balancing, or if I want to, also I have a gray card. Whoa! I have a gray card that I utilize in here. I've got this hard shell SD card holder. I've got this dual battery from Pickle Power, you can see right there. This is a dual charger for the Fujifilm batteries. I have this 3-in-1 USB cord, which is Lightning, micro USB, and USB Type-C. And then I have this right here is a lifesaver. I really enjoy utilizing this card. It's kind of like a multi, and I have a video on this as well. I'll leave it up there. I utilized this card as one of the stocking stuffers that I recommended, and it's definitely worth it, especially for the wireless Qi charging that it has built into it as well. When I plug it into something, I can just have my phone stand plopped up, and it also will wirelessly charge. So I usually keep that everywhere I go. And then I also have the little microphone wind guard for the wireless microphone that the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 came with when I got the Creative Combo Pack. And then just some wires. Here's another. This is the dual USB Type-C charging wire that the Creator Combo came with. And then a micro SD to SD card reader, so if I can get the footage off of the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 and I don't have a micro USB reader, but I have a regular SD card reader, then I can utilize that. And that's really all I have currently in the bag right here. Again, it can carry a whole lot more than what I've shown you guys, but this pouch I would definitely recommend if you're looking for a way to just keep a lot of your tech with you at all times, your miscellaneous, your chargers. If you have a MacBook Pro or any of the newer MacBooks and you utilize the USB Type-C chargers, you can definitely put a battery bank in here along with the wire and then just keep your MacBook charged. If you want to carry around your brick that the MacBooks usually would have back in the day, you can definitely utilize this tech pouch as well. And everything can stay nice and compact in one nice little pouch. And again, if you want to utilize this as a camera bag, you definitely can if you have a smaller camera. Right now I'm shooting on the Sony ZV-1. You can definitely utilize that, put it in here in one of the back pouches with some batteries. And then if you utilize the Peak Design anchor points, you can put one here on this loop, one on this loop, and then keep one of their camera straps as kind of a body strap and keep this as a kind of small little messenger bag. They also have something called the field pouch, which you can utilize to keep everyday essentials that you need for your camera, filters and things like that. A little bit smaller, looks like a very miniature messenger bag. I also have one of those in black. I'll be doing a review of that as well. So again, if you're new to the channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon. But that about wraps up today's video, everybody. I just wanted to show you the brand new tech pouch that we're going to be utilizing in our everyday camera backpack setup when we do pack it up to the gills, because that bag can hold a ton of gear. Recently, as I mentioned on the photo trip that my wife and I took, I packed 3 camera bodies, really 4 if you count the Osmo Pocket 2, and 5 if you count the GoPro. I took the X Pro 3, I took the ZV-1, I took the X-T4, I took the Osmo Pocket 2, and then I also took the GoPro. So I packed all of that into one camera bag along with about 6 lenses. The only thing I really couldn't fit into it was the drone, the Mini 2, but again, the drone Mini 2 came with its own bag, and so I was able to keep that separate, but still small enough to take with me. And I also utilized the brand new Peak Design tripod, the aluminum version, which I'm using to film this video as well. I'm going to be doing a review on that as well. So if that's something you're looking at potentially getting, again, stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think down below about the tech pouch. Do you already own one? I know there's other versions from other manufacturers out there. Do you own one of those, or do you own one of the Peak Design branded ones? And how do you utilize it in your everyday carry or in your photography carry? Be that cool person that gives me a thumbs up, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll catch each and every one of you in the next video. Peace.